Welcome to the AirGO, a revolutionary new concept in kitchen equipment. This state-of-the-art cooker is an all-purpose device that can be used in 16 different ways. Yes, you heard that correctly. There are 16 different ways in which the AirGO can be used to prepare food. Not only do the functions include an air fryer, but it also includes a crepe, grill, oven, and an automatic stir-fry function. AirGO can also be used as your toaster and deep fryer, or even as a stew pot and steamer with a separate lid. Moreover, AirGO's temperature ranges from 75 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers high to low cooking temperatures suitable for preparing all food. These include the ability to dehydrate produce, proof dough, defrost food, sous vide meat, sauté vegetables, bake pastries, and sear meat. The unique heating technique has been patented in both the US and Canada and relies on intelligent heating, precise temperature control, and 360-degree interior heat circulation that is achieved by two separate sets of upper and lower heating systems with forced air. Standard air fryers only have the top heating element, leaving your food dry. But with the AirGO, the new technology effectively locks in moisture and preserves vitamins and nutrients vital to your health, making your food healthier and more delicious. The innovative heating technique also improves cooking efficiency anywhere from 25 to 75%, saving you electricity, time, and money. With the AirGO, frozen food can take up to 50% less time compared to the suggested cooking times, freeing up more time for you to live your life the way you want. AirGO offers a user-friendly cooking system that is easy for cooks at any skill level. Unlike other kitchen appliances, the AirGO allows you to adjust the time and temperature before, during, and after cooking, as well as the ability to skip preheating or extend your cooking time with the press of a button. You can even open the lid at any time to add ingredients and seasonings. The AirGO has 8 different safety mechanisms to ensure that it is safe to use. The inner pan uses a ceramic non-stick coating that is 100% safe according to the FDA and North American SGS. The AirGO's technology eliminates greasy smoke and prevents oil splatters so you can feel safe within your kitchen. From cooking bacon and eggs to steak dinners, the AirGO will be your best friend in the kitchen from breakfast to dinner. Sautéing asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower has never been easier than in the AirGO. Juicy chicken breast and flaky salmon are easily achieved with the touch of a button. Your family won't ever complain about dry food again. Not only do our customers love cooking burgers, bread, steak, chicken wings, pancakes, grilled salmon, cake, pie, and pizza, but they also love cooking foods from their own cultures such as stir-fried rice, pan-fried dumplings, naan, butter chicken, pad thai, chow mein, spiced rice, quesadillas, seafood pancake, tortillas, and a whole lot more. The possibilities are truly endless. Using the AirGO, unlock your inner master chef. So buy your AirGO today and turn your kitchen into a space where magic takes place. You might call it magic, we call it the AirGO.